let me eat.
Well, you could have ordered to go.
Since when was there to go?
Since now. And now we have wood cake in Minecraft.
Ooh, I'll have to try them.
Gotta go. Can I have the wood cake? Thank you very much. There's no such thing as wood cake. Thank you very much.
The wood cake.
Okay then. You're not supposed to eat it.
What? Why? But I'm hungry.
It's not food.
Fine, then I'll order a cookie.
Okay.
Can I eat this?
Of course.
I can't eat this.
Ruby, you will follow the direction of the Cadogers, and for me it will be wonderful. Bad luck. Ha 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 ha.
I will eat something someday. No one can stop me.